In this video, I'm going to show you how to download a PDF created by ChatGPT. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so there's a couple of different ways how to do this. So if you're on your chat and you've asked it to create you a document and put it inside of a PDF, you're going to get, so for this demonstration, I asked ChatGPT to create me a simple document about time travel, 5 pages in length, also give the option to download the PDF. So basically what it's done, it says here your 5-page PDF about time travel is ready, so we can go ahead and click on download the PDF, and that's going to go ahead and download it like so, and it's going to give us the results like so. Also, if we've got our document inside of ChatGPT, we can go ahead and ask it to turn this into a PDF. So I can say turn this into a PDF. Now it's going to go ahead and analyze the text, and then it should create a link to download that as a PDF. So here we go. Again, we've got the option to download the PDF. So I'll go ahead and click on download, or I'll go ahead and click on that download button, either or.